Hey guys, welcome back to the cryptocurrency course. So in this video, guys, we're going to be talking about creating a basic Coinbase account. Now, Coinbase is one of the largest platforms related to cryptocurrency, and it's a big name. If you have heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum, Coinbase is going to be one of the most popular sites for the person who's just getting started to purchase their first Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and turn to the computer. So here we are, we're going to be setting up our Coinbase account. Now, a few things I wanted to let you guys know. I've actually created an email, just like how I've recommended in the course. Go ahead and get yourself set up with a separate Gmail account. That'll keep everything separate from your personal email, and it'll definitely increase your privacy. So I would highly recommend that. Now for this, I'm using a email. I don't mind disclosing it with you guys, but make sure that you keep track of your passwords and keep track of your private keys. Be sure that everything related to crypto that requires to be kept private is stored somewhere other than your computer. So if you are able to print out a copy, maybe store it somewhere safe where you'll know where it is, and that way at least you'll have a physical copy of it should you need to use that backup. But I digress. Let's get into the video. So here we are in Coinbase. We're going to get set up with an account. Now to get started, you can use the link in the description to go right to Coinbase, and this link will allow you to actually earn $10 in free Bitcoin when you get signed up. And all you have to do is buy your first $100 worth of Bitcoin, and you will get $10 automatically for free. So I would highly recommend you use that link. What we're going to do is click on sign up. And just go ahead and enter your information. Doesn't have to be too complicated here. We're just going to change this. All right, so go ahead and check the box. Okay, so they are sending a verification email, and we've got the email account pulled up here. We're just going to verify the email address. Okay, the phone number, you can just enter that in here. I'm actually going to blur that out. And they're going to text you a code. So guys, once you have verified the code, you're actually going to receive another text message from Coinbase, and this text message is going to be asking you to download their mobile app, and that's something you can do if you choose to. For right now, we're just going to be setting up the Coinbase account on our desktop, but that is an option if you choose. So here we're just going to enter in some information. This is going to be confidential information, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and we will resume as soon as this is filled out, and I will see you guys there. Okay, so once you have filled out the information that's required on that screen, you're actually going to be taken right into your Coinbase dashboard. So right off the bat, let me just show you what we're looking at here. This is a chart for Bitcoin, and you've got your tabs up here. So this is the main dashboard. There's a buy and sell option here on the top bar, and you can choose your accounts. There's tools and there's settings. In this video, we're just showing you how to set up your Coinbase account to get started. So I will be showing you some things in settings as well, just to go ahead and get your bank account linked, because you will need to do that in order to purchase funds. But let's just scroll down here. You can view the charts. You can choose between the different platforms they have on Coinbase. Right now you can choose between Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And it just shows you all the charts. You can vary the time as well. And down here at the bottom, it just shows your portfolio. It's just kind of a consolidated screen. And then just some things that you are able to do to complete your account. So we've done the first two. Next, we're going to add a payment method, and this is going to allow us to deposit funds into Coinbase. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on add a payment method, and we're just going to use a bank account. This is going to be the most standard option for most investors, so let's just choose bank account. And from here you can choose whatever bank you are with, and I'm just going to enter in my user ID. Here it's pretty straightforward. They may do a tiny amount of a withdrawal just so that way they can verify the funds are present, but you should be able to get that notification saying your bank was successfully merged. So from here we can see that we don't have any recent activity and we're pretty much good to go. That's really all you need to do in order to create your Coinbase account and get started with purchasing some Bitcoin. So in the next video, I'm going to show you the process of going into Coinbase and buying your first Bitcoin. And then from there, we're going to be looking at the steps to set up Google two-factor authentication on your phone, and we'll just go from there. All right, guys. Well, I hope you found something informative out of this one. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.